I'm Danielle.
And hi, I'm Jennifer.
And today we're going to be asking questions about origami. So Jennifer, how did you first learn about origami? What got you into it?
Well, I've been taking this Japanese class in my school, and I just got interested in in Japan and the culture and the language and definitely the origami. So then I started to do origami, and I looked on YouTube everywhere to see where I could learn how to do it. And then from this channel called Howcast, I learned how to make the froggy thingies, the frogs. Howcast teaches you step by step in an easy way, and I learned how to do it very easily because they did it really slow. They did it, and they explained it with so much detail, and then I just memorized it, and I didn't even know I was memorizing it. And I learned how to do the swans from Howcast also, and I just memorized it, and I didn't even know it. So I would recommend Howcast to anyone who's watching this because it's really good. Like Japanese people do it, but they speak in English, and they know. Well, I'm not sure if a Japanese person's talking in English, but someone is speaking in English and actually explaining to you what you need to do in a really nice way, and they kind of show you what it looks like, and yeah.
Tell me, do you need to just use origami paper for your origami creations?
Well, no, not exactly. You can also cut out pieces of paper from regular rectangular pieces of paper to you know how you fold the piece of paper and then you just cut it.
Can you show us some examples?
Sure.
Do index codes work?
Well, the frogs, they do.
Cool. So, what can you tell us about origami to the viewers that we should know about?
Okay, in case if you're looking for origami paper and if you're looking for a cheap price, go on to acmore.com and print out a few coupons that give you a cheaper price. And they're usually up to some are it depends, some are $7, some are $4. And if you get them from AC Moore, they're half off, so or 40% off, whatever. So it's kind of $3. That's really good because sometimes they give you a lot of paper.
Do they come in different colors?
Oh yes, they do. They come in many different colors. They even come in gold and silver, which are the two best ones. And they also come in the surprising colors, which include pink, white, and orange, neon orange in the center, and light green and dark green. And there are other ones where there's dark blue with pink in the center, and there are other ones with dark green with blue in the center, and they're just really cool. You can get those at AC Moore for a very cheap price. And these are just in the 100 packages, the 100 package thing.
Do you have to use regular origami paper to make origami creations?
Well, no, you can use normal paper. You just need to cut it so that it's into a square. Well, sometimes you don't even need to use origami paper. Sometimes you need to use a rectangle. Well, for these, I used a bigger version of origami. Well, not origami paper, but I designed it myself. And you can see, this is a bigger frog. It's really big. This is a bigger swan. So you can see, you can even make your own, bigger ones without using origami paper. And you can just design it yourself so that it looks cool. I airbrushed this one, so yeah.
How long does it take to usually make one origami creation?
Well, it depends. If you're making a crane, it could take 8 minutes. If you're making the magic ball, it could take 20 minutes. If you're making a swan, it would probably, well, the swan that I made, it would probably take a minute or so. And for the frog, it would take about less than a minute. But since I was showing you the tutorial about the frog, it took longer because I wanted you guys to understand it better. And for the sumo, it should take about, a little more than 2 minutes. Decent amount of time. Not long. If you memorize it and if you're good at it, then you can do it faster. So, yeah.
How small can these creations get?
Well, they can be really small, in fact. Well, I made these paper sumos out of Post-its. Here, get a zoom on it. Here's a pink one. Here's a blue one, bluish greenish. They're really tiny. They're bigger than my finger. Okay.
I have a question.
Are you ready to come along on the journey of YTMitch61? Go to our channel, YTMitch61, to see videos, updates, comments, and more, and come along on the journey with us. We hope to see you there. Bye!
Bye.